provides much of the information, also available at www.weather.gov/NWR. And now this information is also available by text. Simply text any word to the same number, 888-697-7263, and follow the instructions. We can help you with a number of topics. Most callers are looking for a 6-digit SAME code, also called a FIPS code, to program their NOAA weather receiver. Do you want to find a 6-digit SAME code?
Yes.
Okay, let's find a SAME code. Do you need a code for a county in the U.S.,
A county in the U.S.
or an offshore marine? Okay, let's find a code for a county in the U.S. If that's not what you want, say, go back. At any time, press the pound key to go back to the main menu. Most codes are determined by a county and state. Please say the county and state.
Allegheny County, Pennsylvania.
Did you want Allegheny County, Pennsylvania?
Yes.
Please say yes or no. Did
Yes.
you want Allegheny?
Yes.
Your 6-digit SAME code is 042003, and the transmitter frequency is 162.550. That code again is 042003, and the transmitter frequency is 162.550. Do you want to find another code?
Yes.
Please say the county and state.
Monroe County, Pennsylvania.
Did you want Monroe County, Pennsylvania?
Yes.
Your 6-digit SAME code is 042089, and you may tune your receiver to the following frequencies for coverage: 162.400, or 162.450, or 162.500, or 162.550. That code again is...
We don't care. Bro laughed at that crazy. Yeah, why are you laughing? Are you laughing because I said I told NWF SAME Allegheny County, Pennsylvania and Monroe County?
Pretty much.
Let me call ChatGPT.
Oh my god.